Hey guys, welcome to a video. Today we're going to be doing two of the most powerful serial killers in the Flash. Cicada and the future Cicada, Grace. Powers of this Grace Cicada. Can control the dagger, can dampen powers with the dagger, but doesn't work on cicadas. So she can't use the dagger against this one. I mean, she can't dampen his powers, so yeah. It has two swords that look like boomerangs. Has some powers to put you against an object or something. Almost like Cisco's Vibe Blast, but these ones, Cisco's Vibes Blast is blast, but her powers can just throw you in the cell. Okay, this guy's powers can control the dagger, dampen other powers, but not his own or Grace's, I don't think. Can super strength, I think. Or maybe he's just so strong. But one of those. And that's pretty much all. But who will win? Defeats. This man defeated. This is gonna be a lot. Block. Some other metahumans. Nothing really too impressive. But again, this one I don't think defeated anyone. No. I don't think so though. But this person survived. Flash. Excess. Vibe. Killer Frost. Swallow. Even though he did have a gun. It was just a man with a gun, but still survived. Oh yeah, a satellite crashing into him. Okay, not the whole satellite, but the dagger. A satellite sword crashing into him. Let's just say that. In the chest. But this person survived. Oh wait, no. This person survived those things, but he dampened the powers. Even though there was this one time where Flash just got mad at him and the dagger was in a rim, he was just punching him. Lightning throw, I think. Maybe not lightning throwing at him, but he almost killed him. But he didn't. But Grace battled. Killer Force, Vibe. Flash, Excess. Cecile. I think Joe. But who will win? I gotta say, as much as I like this Cicada, he just won't win. Grace wins. Grace Cicada wins. Just more powers.